Good morning, my name is Greg Kellogg and I'm showing you some jerseys that I currently own from my favorite team, the Detroit Lions. Now, I also own one that I'm wearing, but I wanted you to see the quality of the workmanship up close and personal. And I'll tell you a little bit more about these jerseys later. I did want to show you the one that I'm wearing right now, which is my favorite tight end, Mr. Sam Laporta. Okay, so I've started the tear, and now we're going to stand the camera up so I can do the opening. Okay, so bag, jerseys, rip her open. Now, U-Jersey sends the jerseys through the USPS, United States Postal Service, and they ship it in bags. Now, I got triple XL jerseys, and we'll break them down each one. Oh, and they gave me free socks, which I can always use. Four jerseys. Oh, one thing I forgot to tell you, the first three jerseys I showed you, not counting the one I'm wearing, one of those is an actual jersey. It is, I think the price is like $200. The other two came from U-Jersey, price is $40 each. The one I'm wearing, U-Jersey, $40 each. So, let me get into this one. Find out where it opens at. Yeah, I may have to rip this one. Yeah. Oh. There it is. Rip it. Yeah, I don't know what this is. Oh, it just says size 3XL. So, this jersey, I don't know if you guys know this, but 313 area code is Detroit. And this has a 313 area code. Now, whose jersey is this? This is a new rookie named Jack Campbell. Very nice jersey. Numbers are stitched on. You've got the swoosh logo from Nike. The Detroit is embroidered into it. The letters is a nameplate that are all sewn in. And it does come inside to help keep its form. So, there we go. It's got nice little NFL tags on it. I'm sure those are fake, Nike. But as you can see, it's pretty good quality. So that's my Jack Campbell one. I will wash these. They're machine washable. They come with a very nice label on the inside that gives you the instructions on what you need to do. That's jersey number one, Mr. Jack Campbell. So now I have a defensive player jersey that I can add to my collection. And there. Now, another thing you might have heard if you're a Detroit fan is the term One Pride, which is on this jersey, again embroidered. This one is Mr. Jameson Williams. Nameplate, number, Nike logo, and I don't think this one has any special patches other than the NFL patch. Two down, two to go. They pack these pretty good, to be honest. Now, I will say the only negative is they take a little bit of time to get here. They don't. It's not like an overnight thing. You're gonna take maybe up to a month to get it. It might be 2 or 3 weeks, but it could be up to a month. So this one is one of my favorite defensive backs, Mr. Brian Branch. And again, you can see the logo on the inside. This time it says Motor City. And Mr. Branch, you notice I got different colors. They have different options. I could have got all white and blue. I could have got all blue. But since I'm doing the Lions podcast, I want to have different jerseys that I can wear. All right. Last jersey. And this one is my favorite defensive player. And I think you guys all know who he is. But let's just say he is the sack master for the Lions. And that's Mr. Aiden Hutchinson. Oh, and this one's got an extra patch on it, too. All right, so this was one of the alternative color jerseys. You can see the Lions patch and the lion, the NFL patch, and again, it's still got the tag inside with the size and the cleaning instructions, but it also has on the right sleeve a U.S. flag patch to go with the Nike one. Let's see if I can show that. Nike one's just above it. Come on. There's the Nike. It's hard to see because it's black on green. U.S. patch, and then on the other side, it's got the NFL special patch. And, of course, the nameplate on the back. Aiden Hutchinson. So that is the 4 jerseys that I've added. And I can highly recommend you jersey. I've gotten 2 shipments from them now. You can't tell the original $200 jersey from these $40 jerseys. It's just impossible. The nameplates are very similar. The tags are similar. Now, the original one that I have is the Barry Sanders one. It's the one in the middle of the other 3 that I showed you. So that is my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. And I don't get any kind of commission from New Jersey, okay? I just like people to be able to get good value for their money, and I do solidly believe New Jersey offers good value for the dollars. So, and you can get more than 1 jersey, as I did, and not break the bank. You know, cost of 1 jersey $200, you can get 5 of them from New Jersey for the same price. That's it for now.